Hi, this is Christine with Digital Come Up. Today I'm going to talk about how to customize your main menu on your website or blog. So as you can see, I have a few different fields in my menu. Some of them have drop-down tabs, some of them don't. But I'm going to teach you how to customize this so that it best works for whatever you want to set up on your website. And you can make it really look however you like. So I'm going to take you to the dashboard and show you how you can manage this from your back end. So once you're in the dashboard, you should scroll down to the Appearance tab, hover over Menus, and just click on Menus. And this will take you to the area where you really can control what your menu looks like. So I'll start up at the top here. First, you should select which menu you'd like to edit. And my primary menu is the one that I'd like to edit that I'll show you today because the primary menu is my main menu. It's the one that you see on my top menu bar on my project website. But you could choose if you have other menus you want to work on, you could definitely select those or create a new menu. And you can name your menu whatever you want, so feel free to change that. And my menu consists really of just pages on my website. And you can kind of see the structure of it here. So this is what it looks like on the back end. And all of these correspond to items on the menu bar on my website. So to add a page to your menu, you can go over to the side here in this tab that says Pages. You can choose to view them however you want, either your most recent pages, you could view all of your pages, or search for a specific page. So you can highlight, either select all of them, just select one that you want to add, click Add It to Menu, and that'll bring it over here. And then once you add all of the items that you want to have on that menu bar, you can start playing around with how you want them to appear to your website visitors. So I have just a few that are on the top bar, so it's not too cluttered or crowded. I didn't want to, give visitors an overwhelming amount of choice, so I just picked a few. And the few that you see right on this top bar without hovering and exposing anything else, just these guys up here, those are the items that are furthest left. So the contact, discussion forum, news, curricula, our partners, and about, those are the ones that you see on that bar. And you probably notice a few of them are, indented below some of the other pages. That is how you nest items. So a nested item just means that if you hover over about, you'll see there are two other options to click on that are nested beneath that tab. So to do that, once you move a page over, you can really just click and drag it. So you can choose to drag it in. So let's say I want to make curricula part of our partners. I can drag it in and put it under there. It's pretty simple. There's another way to do this too. If you click on this page down button, you have the option to move it out from under. So that will pop it back out and make it on its own. That'll bring it up to that main bar. So that would put it on this bar, no longer under about. You can move it up, you can move it down. So you don't have to use the drag and drop, but that's an option. And I just want to show you what it looks like here. So this, you can move it under about, so you can do it either way, wherever the original page is. Another thing I want to show you in this drop-down page area, you can change the navigation label, so you can change what this says on your menu. And title attribute is helpful if you want to add a little bit more description. If online brochure, if you don't feel like that's clear enough, you could say, additional text. Type it in there, and I'll show you what happens when I save this. Go over here and let me refresh the page. So remember, I added a title attribute to online brochure. And just as a reminder, title attribute said, learn about our project. So when I scroll over to online brochure and I hover over there, a little box will pop out that has whatever text you put in there, just as a little extra, tip or information for your website visitor if you don't think your menu items are clear enough, or if you just want to add some kind of a note or explanation. So that's what that will do. And I'm going to remove it. And I just want to go over one specific tab, the Curricula tab. So this has nested items, just like the About tab, but Teaching Manuals also has nested items. So you can see these pop out to the right when I hover over Teaching Manuals. So to do that, it's the same process as nesting at the top level. So you can see under Teaching Manuals, I have these two sub-items down here. Same idea, you can drag and drop, or you can control the location with these links here. And that's basically how you customize a menu in WordPress. There are some other few settings down here. You can choose to automatically add new pages to the menu. So if you know every page you make, you want it up on your menu, that would be a helpful thing for you to click. And you can choose to make this the primary menu. And that's something you can also do from Manage Your Locations. You can assign which menu you want to be your primary menu. And that is the basics on how to customize your menu for your website using the WordPress platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching.